Hey everybody, Lauren DeFreitas here. I'm a contractor, investor, realtor, and problem solver. Today we are in Plano, Texas. I'm going to take you on a tour of a property that I actually just flipped. Listen up, I have a few treats in store for you. First of all, during the tour, if you see anything that you like, motorcycles, I'm just kidding, a chandelier or maybe the countertop range, go ahead and look in the description below because I'm going to leave some links so that y'all can enjoy them in your home. Second of all, after the tour, I'm going to tell you how I found the property, how I sold the property, and for how much. And then last, I'm going to tell you how I was able to finance the entire purchase price of the property and all the renovations without using any of my own money. So let's go on the tour. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the tour, a little bit of that inside scoop that I had promised you. The way that I was actually able to acquire the property was I went to a medical office and one of the nurses there saw my t-shirt, and on the back of my t-shirt was a logo for my construction company. So she asked me if she could take a picture of my shirt. I said yes, and the rest is history. The buyer for this property actually offered off market for full ask price at $535,000. She does want to be in the area to take advantage of the great school system for her son, and then once he graduates, she's planning on keeping it as a luxury rental. So great lesson to everybody: invest once and it keeps being profitable to you. And the third thing that I promised you was to tell you exactly how I was able to finance it without using any of my own money. There's actually a lot of businesses in the area that are able to offer construction loans, which means that they will fund the entire purchase price and the entire renovation, and all you have to do is pay the closing costs. Now, I did have to leverage a different property that I owned, but at the time I was cash poor and I was able to take advantage of that. Rates were about 4% or so it's pretty similar to a traditional mortgage. The catch is you don't get any equity, but you also, have a 12-month lease on it basically, and they finance the whole thing. So great for investors, great tip for everybody who wants to get into the real estate scene. All right, everybody, that's it for today. If you're interested, go ahead and subscribe so that I know you want to hear more from me. I have a lot of fun ideas and a lot of information for you coming up. Everybody, be real, buy real estate. Bye.